Are you moving into a new place and trying to settle in? Baxter Shipping, your one-stop solution for a hassle-free move. From unpacking to fixing those last-minute repairs, Baxter ensures your new home is move-in ready. Let our skilled professionals take care of your home, so you can enjoy peace of mind and a well-maintained living space. Leaky faucets, kitchen repair or general repairs. Minor electrical fixes, furniture assembling, curtain installation, artwork placement, cleaning, debris removal, and minor paint jobs, we handle it all. Our skilled team delivers quality workmanship at affordable rates, ensuring timely, comprehensive, and insured handyman services with a focus on customer satisfaction and transparent pricing. With over 10 years of expertise, serving 90+ countries and destinations, and 10,000+ satisfied customers, Baxter is your trusted partner for seamless moving and top-notch handyman services. With us, settling in should be stress-free. Professional, affordable, and stress-free service. Baxter is your trusted partner.